Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I got behind us the old parts Cutlass. Between it's going to save 2 more cars and it's going to live on. Unfortunately, this car is just too far gone to actually repair.
This is going to get the Pontiac Le Mans wagon on the road with the rear end, radiator, a few other parts that I need. And it's also going to donate its motor and transmission to another project in the background.
My 68 Skylark convertible. I know it's not a Buick motor, but it's what I could find for right now. Eventually, maybe.
It works.
So stick around. We're going to get this thing hit in the head. Well, got the old front clip off. This thing, it's rough.
The old rat poop and pee did a number on the old core support.
I mean, we've got rot everywhere on this car, guys. This car, great parts car.
She's a downer.
But other than that, it ain't much. It's got a lot of good little parts and pieces, so that's what we're doing with it. Well, boys, we got the old motor in, the old Skylark. Brought it down a lot. There's the Cutlass. We still got a bunch more parts to pull off of it, but that's coming up soon.
Oh yeah, that's some nice smoke there. Will she do a burnout? Yes, she will. Getting lost in the cloud. Where you at, Burn? Somebody shut the car off. Can't see. Ah, dang.
I would say that's burn. Oh, fuck, bro, I can't see.
Burn, where are you? Where are you, Burn? Hell yeah. She will do a burnout. 1968 Buick convertible with the 350 rocket from the old Cutlass 4-door.
Hey, Brendan.
She burns them, boys.
Brendan.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
High five.
High five.
High five.
Woo!
Until next time, don't forget to do a burnout. Woo!